Good morning. My name is Ike and I'm with Custom Potato PCs. Today, I've got 30 plus deals for you guys today. I've got GPUs, I've got RAM, I've got a storage, I've got a gaming PC, I've got a gaming laptop. I've got a ton of options for you guys. Just hang in there with me. A couple quick updates as well. Amazon Prime is happening in June. Mid-June is where it should be happening if I had to guess. As we get closer to Amazon Prime Day, all the prices of everything will start to creep up. So when Amazon Prime Day hits, it'll go back to the discounts and deals we've been seeing if they do what they've done over the last couple of years. The deals might be few and far between, but I'm going to find the best ones I can every single day as we proceed through our daily deals. Also, keep in mind, I'm doing a giveaway, information in the description below, but I don't want to wait any longer. Let's get into the deals for you guys today. All right, first up, we have a full gaming PC. I'm starting off strong at Walmart. Company I'm not too familiar with. They have decent reviews though for the few that are on there. It comes with a Ryzen 5700X and it comes with a RTX 5060 8GB. The thing that drew me to this is it has 32 gigabytes of DDR4 and it comes with a 1TB NVMe. Solid build. It has a white graphics card. It's got an AIO. It's a beautiful PC. $1199, $1,200. They do have a 5060 Ti version that is about $150 more, and then they have a 1560 Ti 16 gigabyte that is a little bit more. Next up, we have the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i 16-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen. It has the Intel Ultra 9, and it also has an RTX 5050, 32 gigabytes of RAM. Again, that is huge. 1TB NVMe for $1,000. This is an open box. I don't expect it to last long. I don't know how many they have, if they have more than one. All right, next up, we have this electric air duster. If you don't have one for cleaning your PC, I would definitely 100% recommend it. It is with my promo code that is on my deals page. It is only $12. If you don't have one, there's no reason not to buy this. And then also, if you're ever putting together IKEA furniture, having a ratchet that has an Allen wrench on it is amazing. $13.98. Has a bunch of different bits to it. You can use this for pretty much anything around the house, also taking apart PCs and stuff like that. But it is definitely a nice setup for a ratchet set. And then next up, we have this 4K webcam. This 4K webcam, actually with my promo code, is selling for $25. Doesn't have any reviews, which means it's probably a fairly new product. So for $25, if you want to try out a 4K webcam, this would be the one. Don't forget, you can always return it at Amazon because they have a return policy if you do not like it. If you want a webcam that's a little bit more name brand, this 1440p one by Razer, it is their version 2, is $79.99. Comes in white, black, or pink if that's your thing. Then next up, I have this small rig boom mic arm for $80. And with my promo code, it is down to $40. So you save, it's about half off with my promo code. All my promo codes are on my deals doc if you need those. Then next up, if you need a headset, this is the basic Razer Black Shark V2. It is basically half off for $30. Comes in several different colors as Razer does. Decent headset, has a ton of reviews. A ton of people have bought these. They're decent headsets. I have this monitor light. So if you play in a room that is dark, this will help reduce your eye strain. These lights in the front will shine down over your monitor. These lights in the back will give you some ambient lighting up against the wall, which is pretty cool, but for $35. But wait, I have a promo code and it'll get you to $30. So if you've been thinking about getting a monitor light like I have, this would be a viable option for you. I want to let you guys know this isn't about a deal. This is about some hardware that's just came out. The Steam controller, I think, sold out in about a half hour. If you did not get one, if you did not know it was coming out, and if it's something you want, you can get on their reservation list, which I did as well. I like it. It looks good. It's got great reviews, and for $100, I'm sure it'll be a great controller. Quick reminder before we continue, I'm giving away a flagship gaming mouse at 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on one of the flagship mouse series videos, and I'll announce the winner once we hit 1,000 subscribers. All right, let's get back to these deals, guys. All right, next up, I have an AM4 Combo. This is coming with the Ryzen 5 9600X, and it also comes with a B850 with Wi-Fi motherboard, and it comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR5. It is 6,000 speed. It is only one stick, but luckily AM5, you can get away with just one stick. This also comes with an ASRock Challenger 750 watt, 80 plus bronze certified non-modular power supply. For $470, this is a great start for a PC build if you're in the market to build a PC or if you just need some upgrades. Next up, I have an AM4 option for you. This has a B450 motherboard with Wi-Fi, the Ryzen 5 5500, 16 gigabytes of 3200 speed RAM, but it also comes with this 120 millimeter all white air cooler. $227, also a great start for building a PC. Definitely a good way to go. Now let's jump over to here for some more RAM deals. deals. We have the Patriot Viper 16 gigabytes. It's one stick, 6,000 speed, $199 over on Newegg. And then we have 16 gigabytes, 2x8. This one's selling for, I think that gets it to $217 if I remember correctly. But this is 2x8 stick kit for 16 gigabytes total, 6,000 speed over on Newegg as well. And then over on Best Buy, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 at 6,400 speed. So really good speed, really good cast latency. And it is selling for $359. And then next up, I have 32 gigabytes of DDR4 at 3,600 speed. So super fast DDR4 RAM. This is coming in at $189. It's by XPG. It is RGB. And then we have this. This is the best 1 terabyte NVMe I could find for $119. It is the small form factor. So if you have a gaming handheld, it'll work perfectly for that. And if you don't, it will fit into almost all motherboards at $119, 1 terabyte Gen 3. It is a solid deal. And next up, I have a couple of air coolers for you. This is a 360 millimeter AIO by Thermalright. It is selling for $48. It is a solid deal. They have a white variant for $50 as well. And then next up, we have this Thermalright Assassin air cooler. It is the SE version, white with ARGB. This does have an all blacked out version, and it does have an RGB black version as well, and then an all white version, all right around that $16 to $17. Really good deal on a solid air cooler. And honestly, this is all you need these days for any AM5 build and most Intel builds as well. Next up, we have this DIY fish tank style ARGB case. If you look back here, it will go great with the smaller form factor motherboard, so you don't have a lot of dead space underneath it. $50, really solid case for that price. And then we also have just a regular style case for $50 by Game Diaz. It does have the higher space for the larger motherboards. So if you have a large motherboard, it will fit in there. Also $50 over on Amazon. And then we're going to get into graphics cards since the graphics cards are last. This is the Arc B570, $260. Probably the best card you're going to find under $300 brand new. The next one up is the PNY RTX 5060 Ti 8 gigabyte for $350. Solid price on this card as well. You do need to have Amazon Prime to buy this one. And then next up, this is over on Best Buy. This is an open box, but hopefully they have a couple of them there. 5070 12 gigabyte, $538. Really solid deal on that. You're not getting this card right now at this price anytime soon. And then next up, we have the RX 9060 XT 8 gigabyte, $340. These are all solid prices. They're not the best prices we've seen over the last 2 months, but they are solid prices. For $100 more, you can get the 16 gigabyte variant. We got the 9060 XT. You can get that right around $615. Solid card as well. And then we also have the 9060 XT, which is probably the solidest card. We've got $699. Really solid price on this. It's the card I have in my computer. I think I might have even paid $30 more than this. I've got one more avenue for you guys to find graphics cards. Over on the Zotac store, and the link is in the description, and these are not affiliates for me, unfortunately. But at the Zotac store, you can actually browse any of the open box by going here. Let's see, open box, you got the 4000 series, the 50 series, and then also for the graphics cards, you can check out their brand new 5000 series. So they have a bunch of options here. So they got 4080s. Like here's a 4080 for $800, but I want to show you a few of the higher end cards that they have. So they've got a 5080 right here, 5080 right here as well. And then this open box one right here, this 5080 is $1124. You're not going to find a 5080 at this price. Now, each week they drop this price just a little bit. The hard part is they usually only have one of each. So you have to catch it at the best price that you want to pay for it, but also before somebody else is willing to pay more for it, if that makes sense. But they have a bunch of options in here. If you made it this far, you already know today's deals were stacked. Full spreadsheet and affiliate links are linked in my link tree. You can find that in the description below on YouTube, and then also in my bio on TikTok. And don't forget, the Flagship gaming mouse giveaway is still live. Comment on one of the Flagship mouse series videos to enter. Sub if you want daily deals without the overpriced nonsense. And thank you very much to everybody who's been supporting me and also encouraging me to keep up with these videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.